What if I told you most entrepreneurs are building their brands completely backwards? And that mistake is costing them thousands in perceived value every single day. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to style your brand the same way that you would style your wardrobe from the inside out. And once you see this, you will never look at your personal brand the same way again. I'm Charla, and I help ambitious women entrepreneurs close the gap between who they are privately and how the world sees them publicly. My personal brand has always been my superpower. That's how I built a $4 million business. And then it's also what has allowed me to rebuild to $600,000 in 1 year after losing everything. And before we dive in, if you want to know exactly where your brand stands, I'll send you my brand elevation assessment. It's a quick diagnostic that shows you if you're ready to step into industry icon status and create your own category of one. All you need to do is drop in the comments right now. Send me the brand elevation assessment. Now, let's talk about the brand first method. And yes, I am literally taking you into my closet to show you how it all works. So here's the mistake I see over and over. Women build the business first, and then they try to slap on branding later as decoration. And it's like putting on makeup before you've figured out your personal style. It's like okay for a minute, but there's no foundation. And so that's how you end up with what I call brand confusion. Your website says one thing, your socials another, and none of it matches who you actually are. But if we flip that whole thing, instead of building the business first and branding later, what if you built the brand first and then let the business flow from that? That's how I've always done it. And that's why, even when I lost everything, I could rebuild quickly because the brand was the foundation that held everything together. My personal brand has always been the thing that opened doors, partnerships, media opportunities, speaking events. Even when the money was gone, the business collapsed, my brand still carried all of the weight. And that's when it hit me. If my brand could survive what I lost and still give me the platform to rebuild, then it wasn't just my personal strength. It was a gift that I had to share. And that's when I knew that my purpose wasn't just to keep building my success, but to help other brilliant women stop being the best kept secrets in their industries. So here's the framework that I use, the brand first method. And I explain it by using Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Most people build from the bottom up, right? Well, here's what I do differently. We flip it. I start with the self-actualization version of you, the most magnetic, confident, successful version of you. I call this your IPV, increased perceived value. And when you operate from that version of you, everything else, your business model, your offers, your content, everything flows naturally. Now, let me show you what I mean, and we're gonna head into my closet. Welcome to my closet. People think I have a lot of clothes. I actually don't have that many pieces. I just have the right pieces. Every wardrobe starts with the basics, the staples that go with everything. So for me, it's a soft white button down. It works everywhere. And in your brand, your staples are things like clear messaging that says exactly who you serve and how, professional headshots that make you look credible, a consistent color palette and fonts, an elevated pitch you can deliver confidently anywhere. Just like these pants go with everything, your brand staples should work across every platform: LinkedIn, Instagram, your website, even your speaker bio. And this blazer, this is what makes a simple outfit feel powerful. In your brand, this is your signature framework or methodology, the one thing that instantly elevates you above the noise. But staples alone won't make you unforgettable. You need hero pieces, the thing that stops people in their tracks. This is one of mine. When I wear this, I don't have to say a word. People pay attention. And in your brand, your hero pieces are things like your signature story that only you can tell, your proprietary framework that carries your name, your bold point of view that gets everybody talking, your premium positioning that makes you the obvious choice. And this jacket, this is my $1 million piece. When I put this on, I feel like the CEO I already am. And that's how your hero brand elements should feel: powerful, magnetic, undeniable. And here's where it gets fun. Watch how the basics and the hero pieces start to work together. The staples give me credibility, and the hero pieces give me the presence. So you put them together, and now I'm not just dressed, I'm styled. That is the brand first method. Your staples are the foundation, and your hero pieces make you unforgettable. Together, they create a brand strong enough to carry you through anything, even loss, even reinvention. Now it's your turn. Go into your closet, find your staple pieces, the things that always work. Then find your hero pieces, the ones that make you feel like a boss the second you put them on. Now, audit your brand the exact same way. Do you have clear professional staples? Do you have bold, distinctive hero elements? And do they work together to make you look and feel unstoppable? That's the exercise, because when your brand fits you like the best outfit, you don't just show up, you stand out. And if you're ready to style your brand from the inside out, I created something for you: the Icon Method Blueprint. It walks you step by step through building both your brand staples and your hero pieces. Click the link in the description or comment below and I will get it to you now. And if this closet tour gave you a new way to think about branding, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me why. What's your brand's hero piece? And if you're ready to style your brand from the inside out, I created something for you. It's my brand elevation assessment, so you can find out if it's time to step into the industry icon status and create a category of one for yourself. Just comment below, send me the brand elevation assessment. And remember, just like the perfect outfit makes you feel unstoppable, your brand should make you feel like the most confident, powerful version of yourself every single day.